Hello, this time we're going to discuss about determining the number of solution of system of linear equations. In this topic, we're going to use the proportion A over A equals B over B equals C over C. A stands for the coefficient of X, and B stands for the coefficient of your Y, and C stands for your constant. In using this proportion, see to it that the given equation is written in standard form. We have here. This is your standard form. Okay? We are going to use the first one. A over A equals B over B equals C over C. If the proportion of A, B, and C are all equal, it means to say that the system has infinite number of solution, or it has infinite solution, or infinitely many solution. The next one, if A over A is equal to B over B and not equal to C over C, it means that the system has no solution. And we have here, A over A is not equal to B over B, is not equal to C over C. It means to say that the system has only one solution. Again, in this topic, we're just going to use this proportion in order to determine if the system has infinite solution, no solution, and one solution. Okay? We're not determining if it is one solution, what are the solutions. We're just going to determine if it is infinite, no solution, and one solution, aside from graphing it, or aside from substitution, aside from elimination. Okay? So we have here the first equation, negative 2x plus 15y equals negative 32. The second one is 7x minus 5y equals 17. Okay? If you're going to observe, the given system is already in its standard form. So we're just going to determine the coefficient of your x, your y, and the constant. That is your A, we have here your B, and we have here your C. Okay? So the coefficient of your x on the first equation is negative 2. Divided by the coefficient of your x on the second equation is 7. Is equal to the coefficient of your y on the first equation is 15. Divided by the coefficient of your y in second equation is negative 5. And then your constant on the first equation is negative 32. And your constant on the second equation is 17. Okay. This time, let us try to simplify the fraction if it can be simplified. Okay, the first one, we cannot simplify it, so you're just going to write the whole equation, the whole fraction, negative 2 over 7 equals 15 divided by 5, that is 3. Positive divided by negative, that is negative, is equal to, can we divide exactly negative 32 by 17? No. So you have negative 32 divided by 17. And then after that, we're going to analyze the proportion. Is negative 2 over 7 equal to negative 3? No, they're not equal. Is negative 3 equal to negative 32 over 17? No, they are not equal. So we have here, A over A is not equal to B over B, is not equal to C over C. What does this mean? It means to say that the given system has one solution. Okay? Again, once again, we're just using this one in order to determine if the given system has one solution, no solution, and infinite solution. Okay? The next one we have here. The first equation is 3p plus q equals 7. Then 2p minus 2q equals negative 6. Again, this is your A, you have here your B, and your C. Let us just write the coefficients. The coefficient of your P is 3 divided by 2 is equal to, the coefficient of your Q is 1 over negative 2 equals, your constant is 7 over negative 6. Then after that, let us try now to determine. Is 3 over 2 equal to negative 1 half? No. Is negative 1 half equal to 7 over negative 6? No also. They are not equal. Therefore, the system has one solution. Okay? This is the easiest way in order to determine if a given system has one solution, infinite solution, or many solution. No solution, I should say. Next, we have here 2x plus 6y equals 18. X plus 3y equals 9. Again, the given system is already in its standard form. So we're just going to determine the value of A. Your x here, your A is 2, your A here is 1, is equal to, your B here is 6, and your B is 3, is equal to, your C is 18, and your C is 9. Okay? Then after that, we're now going to simplify the fraction. 2 over 1 is just the same as 2, equals 6 divided by 3, that is 2, equals 18 divided by 9, that is 2 also. Try to observe. Is 2 equal to 2? Yes. Is 2 equal to 2? Yes. They are all equal. Okay? If this is the outcome, if A over A is equal to B over B and is equal to C over C, it means to say that the given system has infinite solution. Can you follow? Okay? The next one, we have here 4x minus 4y equals 8, and then x minus y equals 2. Let us determine your A, which is 4. Your A here is 1, equals, your A here is negative 4, and your B, I should say. Your B is negative 4 and your B here is negative 1 is equal to, your C is 8 and then your C here is 2. Simplify the fractions. 4 divided by 1, that is 4, is equal to negative 4 divided by negative 1, that is 4 again, is equal to 8 divided by 2, that is 4. Let's recheck this one. This is equal sign. Okay? 4 is equal to 4 is equal to 4. As you can see, they are all equal. It implies that the given system has infinite solution. Any question? Okay? Let's go further. We have here negative 2x plus 5y equals 7, and then negative 2x plus 5y equals 12. Let us determine your A here. Your A is negative 2, divided by your A here is negative 2 also. Your B here is positive 5, and then your B here is positive 5 also. Okay? Your C is 7, and your C here is 12. Let us now simplify the fractions. Negative 2 divided by negative 2, that is positive 1. 5 divided by 5, that is 1. 7 divided by 12, can we divide it exactly? No, so we're just going to Write the fraction, 7 over 12. Now let us now analyze this statement. Is 1 equal to 1? Yes. Is 1 equal to 7 over 12? No. Okay? You can see here, your A is equal to B, but not equal to C. If this will be the case, then it implies that the system has no solution. Okay? Is there any question? That will happen if your A over A equals B over B, but not equal to C over C. Okay? We have here the next one. Y equals negative 3x plus 2. And you have 6x plus 2y equals 1. Again, as what I have told you, in using this proportion, situate that your equation is written in its standard form. Your first equation is not written in its standard form. Y equals negative 3x plus 2. Remember, your standard form is ax plus by equals c. This is your standard form. Okay, so we need to move your x on the other side of the equation. So we need to get the opposite of it, and that is positive 3x. We have here positive 3x. Okay, so you now have 3x plus y equals negative 3x plus 3x, that will be 0. And then you have there, bring down positive 2. It is now written in its standard form. It's now time for us to identify your A. Your A here is 3 over, your A here is 6. Your B here is 1. And your B here is 2. Then, your C here is 2 over your C here is 1. Okay? Let us now simplify. 3 over 6 can be written as 1/2 equals 1/2 equals, what is 2 over 1? It's just 2. Okay. Let us now simplify. Let us now identify. Is 1/2 equal to 1/2? Yes. Is 1/2 equal to 2? No. So A over A is equal to B over B, but not equal to C over C. If this is the case, then the system has no solution. Can you follow? Is there any question? Okay, again, as what I have told you, we're just going to use this if we